Hey y'all, so I was in the middle of my business photo shoot that I'm DIYing, and I just decided why not taking some stuff out with y'all. So well, it's not some stuff, it's just gonna be mostly the stuff for the products that I'm going to be selling. So it's like the thank you cards, the bags that I am going to sell my business stuff in. So yeah, as y'all see, the brand is IFR Necessities, and it comes with this lavender bag right here. So based on my theme, I'm going to be issuing my stuff, all my stuff, hopefully in lavender bags. So yeah, I ordered my package long time ago. I did look in it, so I'm not gonna act as if I don't know what is in it or whatnot. So I did look in it a little, but I'm still going to try my best to just show it to y'all. You know the vibe. I put y'all in my business as much as I can. But yeah, and yes, you heard me right. I am DIYing my business photo shoot. I am launching my business tomorrow. It is now 8:28, almost 8:30. What the heck? My finger is tripping so bad. Anyways. Oh! It's makeup, y'all. Don't even be dramatic. It's makeup. So yeah, showing you all my stuffy stuff. I took some pictures already. Hopefully I'm good with those. Hopefully I'm good with those. But I kinda want to see if I can take a picture with the bags as well. I don't know. As I go along, the ideas come. So I'm just gonna toss it in there. But yeah, my package, I got my oh, I don't like green white with makeup. Oh, the stand is super high because, like I said, y'all, I was taking pictures for my business. But yeah, these are the cards. I kid you not, I just look at them as is. I never open them or anything. So here goes. Sorry that you're so high up there, guys. I'm just trying to do this really fast. This is like a tapey thing that says thank you for supporting my small business. I don't know if I'm gonna put that as yet. This is the thank you for supporting my small business card. Y'all, I got all my stuff in holographic, which is kind of like silver because that's the theme that I'm going for. Hopefully throughout the business I continue with this. Hopefully they'll still be selling, but or probably I just need to stock up on them, right? So I have them for future use. Some other thank you cards, holographic, like I said. Oh yes, the sticky things are holographic too. I am coming through. I am with it. I am with it. And I got these bags. So I got a bright idea to just put some goodies in these bags to put inside the lavender bag. So yeah, they're holographic as well. I really wish everything was like one set number, so I know that once it's finished, I'll have to get some more. The lavender bags, they look a little small, but they're gonna have to work until I order some other stuff. So these are like the decorative paper that is supposed to go inside the bag. Let me check the size of the bags because wow. Ooh. it's okay. I'll work with these. I can work with these. I might have to recap my Amazon thing to see if there's any larger size with them on there. There actually is a larger size, but I didn't buy it because I feel like this size was good enough for starting out, as well as with the larger one it didn't come with the paper, and I really wanted this one. No, it's kind of like off, yeah, but it's what it is. This will have to do for right now. But yeah, that was my little showing y'all what's up with me and my business. I would show you guys some of the stuff that I'm selling, but why not just visit my page? If y'all don't know, my page is IFR Necessities. So it's IFR.necessities. Follow my page, y'all. Turn your post notification on. IFR Necessities. All the necessities there is, that's what I'm going to be selling. Thank you. Okay, so guys, this morning I have to work 8:30. It's now 7:37. I have 2 packages to deliver, so I'm just going to look them up and show you guys how I do it before I go out. Every time somebody purchases something from my business, as y'all see my logo, it's a lot in the bag. So of course I deliver stuff in the bag. I have them in this size and a medium size, but the package that I'm delivering today, they're all small, so I'm putting them in small bags. These little gift stuff, like I believe it's gift paper. These come with this bag when I purchase it, so automatically I just give my supporters them as well. Along with, I add a thank you card, and with the thank you for supporting my small business sticker, you get the gist. So because the item, my hands are clean now, I kid you not. And thank you. No, I usually write something on there but anyway, can't do that at the moment. Like so. Next one, baggy bag, item, card, then I'm gonna add 2 stickers on one on each bag. So one here, other one here, and that's it. But yeah, that's just my little itty bitty showing you guys how I do my packaging. But I'm going to have a more detailed video on how I do business stuff. But yeah, I just decided to show you guys.